Uh, to log into the uh, mm, SPA, first you need to type those URL which is provided here, and then the page will appear where you are going to put your username and password, whatever the password has been supplied to you. And then you are going to write this CAPTCHA code, like this is here, T8P, and then I should log in. After login, you will have your menu SAP. Inside the SAP, for the cash sales, you are going to have the AR invoice cash. In the cash sales, first, once you click on the cash sales, you will see the listing here. To check the list of the previous data, what is been posted, if I select, let's say from 12 onwards, greater than equal to, so from 12 till today, if I say load, so all those invoices which has been posted, it is already showing. In case if you wanted to overview that, okay, what has been inside this AR invoice, if I click here, it is showing that, okay, the invoice is having those product inside. To create or to first, let me show it to you the find. So if I click on a find, this find button, so it will take me to the window where this document number, where I'm going to put this document number, and you can see this Hamburg menu here. So if I click here, so it will give me the whole detail of the document which has been posted earlier. So you can see that. To go back to the previous listing screen, if I click on a cancel, so it will go take me back to the listed screen. Now, if I wanted to create a new one, so if I just say simply click here, plus sign, so the windows appear. Now, the few things which you need to add, and this will be for both a screen for the cash and your credit, both sides. So if I select cash sales relevant to your station, so this is, let's say I'm logged in with the Rock City. So if I click on a Rock City, by default, my price list is also appearing as a Rock City, and rest of the details is already appeared. And in case if you are having a customer reference number, any like when you are booking credit sales, so you can write your customer reference number, whatever it is. Then rest of the things, like if you are having any vehicles which is been, if you are posting on a credit sales, so which vehicle it has been posted, and what was the trailer number. In case if you are having a driver ID and driver name, those kind of information you can put. And transporter you can put as if they are having a different transporter. And security name also, you in case operators or whoever is filled those things, so those you can put that information here. After finishing this information, then this is the line area where you are going to add the product. So let's say if I'm adding a product, AGO, so this is always you need to select here AGO local Olympic, or PMS local Olympic, or IK local Olympic. Don't use any hospitality and all this thing, because you won't have the stock in place. So if I, let's say if I'm selecting the Olympic here, and let's say whatever the quantity is been sold here, I will write here. And if the price is different, you can write your price, then press here. And in the credit cells, you won't see this detail or default, so you need to fill it. So let me explain it here. So retail is the business, Rock City is my branch, and NA is my vehicle, means by, because the vehicle is not this one. And Rock City, because I'm punching for the Rock City, so I will select my Rock City here. And Once I click here and then I press tab. Once I press tab, it is lines is added. I'm adding another product as well, PMS, and let's say uh, some quantity and maybe something the price. The same I can put those business, branch, and vehicle and warehouse code and press tab. Let's assume that okay, we are finished with we don't want to add further, so we can close this line, empty line, by this red button here. If I cancel, so those lines has been disappeared now. Now, in case if the quantity or price or something data which you are posting here, it is wrong, or you can see the doc total value after adding all those lines. If your total value it is not matching, you can cross check again. And in case if you wanted to change something like let's say quantity was wrong, instead of 30, it has been written 20. So I've changed it. The price was let's say supposed to be 3,000, but I have written wrongly. So after all these things set, then we can uh, click on this green icon. So you can see that it is okay. And then after once everything it is done, I will just press add, and then it will supposed to show me the success message that okay, it has been posted. So once that is done, means that document has been posted. I'm not adding it right now, but you can use the same way. Now, this is how the invoice gas, and the same thing if I am going to the AR invoice. This is for the credit item, AR invoice item. You can see there is a similar screen, the same way how we are checking. If I wanted to see the previous documents, that also I can see it here. And if I want to add, the same way we are putting, the same way we are going to utilize here as well. So here I'm selecting some credit customer, whoever has bought it from, and what was the price list, maybe let's say Rock City price list. In actual, the price list will be updated so that you will get to know. And sales type here, I'm good. Here the vehicle number, driver name, in case anything is there. I'm just adding it. And the plus sign, AGO, quantity. Now, as you have seen that the earlier screen was having all those business, branch, and vehicle by default, but here you will have to type. So retail branch is, let's say, Rock City, and vehicle is NA, and type the store which I'm selecting as a Rock City warehouse, and then you can see that the on-hand quantity is also showing, means how much in the system it is showing the stock as of now. Same thing for the PMS. If I'm writing PMS local, and let's say 10 quantity, something price, I'm just retail, branch is Rock City, and vehicle is NA, and Rock City. So if I select this one, you can see that the on-hand quantity is showing that much. So this is how you can book the AR invoice, cash or credit sales. Thank you.